There is a beautiful picture in front of me. I have to speak about it for 40 seconds. Firstly, I will look for the title of the picture, which is zip lock operation. The highest standards value in the picture is 100 and the lowest is 10. I can see some important words and figures such as upstream gate opens, upstream gate close, and water level evens. I personally believe downstream gate opens is important among all of them. I can also see different colors such as green, white, blue. Overall, this is an important picture which is based on facts and figures.